Hi everyone, it's Liz here from the 10 Minute Tutor, and I'm guessing that you might know who's standing beside me. Of course, it's Al. Hi Al.
Hi again.
How are you?
Good.
Good. And Al's here of course because she's a professional singer and she's going to be helping me sing. Because as I've said to you before, singing is not really on my resume.
I think you're pretty good, Liz.
Oh, I don't know about that. Now, today's sheet that you should have in front of you is A-22. Al, do you have your A-22 in front of you?
I have my A-22 right here.
Well done. It's always good to have the sheet in front of you because I'm sure we're very entertaining to watch, but it's always good to also be doing some reading at the same time.
Yep.
Especially when it comes to learning sounds because they're so important.
You'll find the worksheet for this video in the description below.
Now, today's saying of today, another message to think about during the day to remind yourself to be positive because you have got amazing potential. Al, do you think you could do me the honour again of reading the message of today?
I'd love to.
Thank you.
I will always try my best. It would be a very quiet world if no birds sang except the ones that sang the best.
That's true. Yeah. Imagine a choir where only one person sang.
That'd be a bit boring, wouldn't it?
It would. Imagine a musical where there was only one actor that sang. Wouldn't be too good, would it?
No.
So remember, you've always got to have a go, quite frankly. That's the key, isn't it?
Yep.
Because people who have a go and keep trying can quite often achieve amazing things.
Absolutely. And to remember, always have fun.
Yeah, that's right.
It doesn't have to be so serious.
Exactly. All right. So we are on Alphabet Sound Song and we are up to the third verse. So I'm going to teach Al the third verse, and while I'm teaching Al, I'm teaching you too. So make sure everyone's listening. Are you listening, Al?
I'm listening.
Have you got your listening ears on?
I have. I'm ready.
All right. It starts out. Sounds, sounds in every word I write. I don't want to fight to have to get it right. Can you say that for me?
I'll give it a go. Sounds, sounds in every word I write. I don't want to fight to have to get it right.
Perfect. Now, that saying is talking a little bit about writing, and when you're writing, spelling the words out. Because you have to spell when you're trying to write. Do you think it matters if your spelling's perfect all the time?
Not at all. I think if you don't get it right the first time, you just learn, and maybe next time you might get it right.
That's right. And quite often the power is in your words, isn't it? Not necessarily in your fantastic writing. Not all writers are good spellers. Did you know that?
I knew that, yep.
Yeah, there's some amazing writers out there. People like Agatha Christie. I could name hundreds. Not great spellers, but gosh, they're amazing storytellers. So important. Let's keep going. So the first one says, and we're looking at the L, that's in bold. Put your finger on it so you know where it is. And it says, L says ooh.
L says ooh.
M can say mm.
M can say mm.
N says mm.
N says mm.
KN says mm.
KN says mm.
O says oh.
O says oh.
P says p.
P says p.
And PH says. Isn't that interesting? It's really funny, isn't it? That's a really funny thing about our English language, how when you put P and H together, you get an F sound. Can you think of a word? I bet you can, where a P and an H go together and it says...
Maybe like in headphones?
Yeah, exactly. I bet you use headphones when you're doing your songs and recording them.
I do.
Yeah, so phone is one of those words, and it's a word we use quite commonly. So let's start from the top and go through. It goes, sounds, sounds in every word I write. I don't want to fight to have to get it right. L says ooh, M can say mm, N says mm, KN says mm, O says oh, P says p, and PH says. Well done, Al. Gee, she's good. She's good. I knew she'd be good. That's why I got her to help me with this job.
Maybe we can put them all together.
Do you think we could put them all together? Do you think we should do this one more time?
All right.
In fact, I think you should do it one more time.
Can
Al.
I?
Yeah,
All
let's have
right.
her do it.
Sounds, sounds in every word I write. I don't want to fight to have to get it right. L says M can say N says KN says O says O, P says P, and PH says.
Well done. That was beautiful. I knew I got it in there for a special reason. Now, we are going to put all of those 3 verses and choruses together.
Great.
Because I want you to remember the sounds from the last 2 verses and choruses as well as today's. So let's build it. Let's start from the very beginning,
Okay.
which is, of course, your printout A8. And then the next one was printout A15. And the next one was printout A22, which of course is today's printout, A22. Are you ready? Let's go.
All right.
Can you do it?
Yep.
You think you've got it in you?
I think so.
Okay, let's try. Ready? Sounds, sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? A says A, B says B, C says K, and also says S. CH says Ch, D says D, E says E, and F says F. Change the sheet. Sounds, sounds in every word I spell. I will get to know them so I can do it well. G says G, G can say J. H says H, I says E. J says J, K says K, and CK says K. Next one. Sounds, sounds in every word I write. I don't want to fight to have to get it right. L says M can say N says KN says O says O, P says P, and PH says. Well done. It's coming together, isn't it? But there is more to come. So next time we see you on the 10 Minute Tutor, get ready for another verse and another chorus, because by the time we're finished, you're going to know so many sounds that your reading and writing and spelling is going to improve out of sight.
And that's exciting.
It is exciting. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Now you have watched A22, your next video will be A23. Would you like free access to level A and B of the 10 Minute Tutor? That's 40 more reading and spelling lessons. It's really, really simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1, learn the alphabet sound song and make a video singing it. It can be you, your children, your class, or your friends. The more, the merrier. Step 2, post it on your favourite social media platform with the hashtag #TheTenMinuteTutor. Step 3, once it's posted, click the link in the description below this video, www.thetenminutetutor.com/level B, and fill out the form. Once we get it, we will email you free access to all 56 tutorials in level A and B of the 10 Minute Tutor to really supercharge your reading and spelling skills.